Hey guys, Sydney Bray-Gwynn with P&S Detail Products, and I am here to show you our booth for SEMA 2024. So a little bit about P&S Detail Products. We are a family-run business that has been in business since 1961. Some cool facts about P&S Detail Products is we make a lot of detail products, but started off kind of as car washing materials, extra, what do you call it, like aftermarket stuff. And so in the 80s, it became more of detail products. And in the last 7 years, we've really focused on Detail Enthusiast as well as the Professional. So we have several different lines. We have off-road lines, we have boat care lines, but we have a team of professionals here and detailers on staff. And I am actually the product specialist for P&S Detail Products. And I think one of the greatest things about our company is that two brothers, that their father started the business. The two brothers took it over in the 80s, and our chemist that makes all of these products is still on staff today. So a lot of it is all we are able to tweak it and have fun with it, do different scents and stuff is kind of what we're known for, and we're just a very relationship-based business. So this is about probably our 7th year at SEMA, and it's the biggest one yet. This year is great. And so we have, I'm gonna show you in the back, we have a full line of detail products, but we have a couple new products that we came out with for SEMA 2024. So I'm gonna lead you right back here. All right, so we have a couple new products for SEMA this year. So one of our most popular products that P&S is known for is its Express Interior. So this is an interior cleaner. It's probably arguably one of the best in the industry. It's just a very safe cleaner. It does a lot of, it has a great foaming action, but it doesn't cause any damage to the surface. It can be used on leather, vinyl, plastic, all of the things inside the car. And so this has been a front runner for a long time. And so this year we released the Express Interior wipes. So this is a pre-moistened wipe with the Express Interior on it. So great for quick cleanups, cleaning up the shop, cleaning up shoes. Really love it for things like cleaning up your polisher, getting all the compounds polishes off, cleaning up the shop when you're done, or also like those areas where, say you have melted chocolate in a cup holder and you want to scoop it out real quick, throw it away, not get the dirty stuff in your nice microfiber towels. So this is one exciting new release we have for this year. And then we came out with a new ceramic coating, which is called Inspiration Stout. So if you know anything about our company, you know we've had ceramics for a long time. And this is just utilizing all of the latest technology. So our last ceramic that we released was 5 years ago. It was called Legend. And now Stout is going to take its place. So just, again, utilizing new technology. And so it's an easier user experience and more immediate gratification experience for the customer, and just a really long-lasting, durable coating. So we're really excited about this one. And then last is we have Reflect. So this is a glass finisher, which this is going to be used after you clean the glass, and it is going to provide an SiO2 or ceramic sealant to the surface that's going to provide a lot of optical clarity as well as slickness and extreme water behavior. So on the exterior of the glass, this is going to be a great product, and on the interior, not only is it going to keep it nice and slick, it's going to keep it from fogging up and not have fingerprints and things stick to it, which will make it easier to clean next time. So we are really excited about this product. And then as you can see, we have a full range of all interior and exterior products available. And like I mentioned, our chemist is on staff, so all of these products are made, ground up, and we're super proud of them, and they all smell amazing. And that is what we are and what we have. So thanks for stopping by our booth today, and we hope to see you next year.